Hi, so as you can see from the intro video, what we're doing today is we're putting little buzz notes on the snare drum that create a little bit of a flavour and spice in your playing and really help add to the other ghost notes you can already play. Now these little notes, they're not 30-second notes that are tight little snaps like this on the snare drum, but they're little buzzes that have got a bit more sustain. It's more like a dragged buzz roll where we're doing a little circular motion and pushing into the head of it, so you're almost pressing down and creating the sustain, and you can really control the note then and make every note even in its sustain. So let's try a pattern now using this technique. So first we're just going to play a very simple pattern, which is boom, ba, boom, ba. And on the first note into each 4 beats, we're just going to do that little drag. Try and keep them nice and even. Right, now once you've got this, let's put it on the kit and give it a go. Now in this pattern we can do the same little buzz note, that little circular motion where we sustain the note on the snare, and we're going to play a simple pattern, and just after the bass drum on the 3 we'll put a little buzz note in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now once you've got this pattern and you can really control that buzz between the hi-hat, let's take it, put it on the kit and give it a go. Now in this pattern, this next one, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting 2 little buzzes between the hi-hats. So where the hi-hat's constant, we're going to put 2 of these little circular buzzes in. Not 30-second notes that are tight like that, but real buzz. Bzz, bzz, not da-da-da-da, but bzz, bzz. Sounds like a little bee almost. Right, let's give this a go. Here we go. The idea is to keep these buzzes really nice and even. Let's give this one a go on the kit. Speed it up and see what it sounds like. Now this time we're going to do another buzz, but this time it's going to land on the hi-hat, so in unison. So where you've got a normal snare, we're going to give that snare nice sustain. So this time I'm dragging more towards myself than doing a little circle. So it's a bit longer sustain. Slightly different technique. We're trying to get all these buzzes the same length. So now let's play a basic pattern and buzz every second snare drum to give it that sustain. Here we go. See the way I'm trying to keep all the notes the same length? Real control. Takes a while. Once you're feeling comfortable with it, jump on the kit and give it a go. Now with this groove, let's take the 2 different types of buzzes, the one on the snare drum that's slightly longer, and the one in between the hi-hats, which is more of a little quicker buzz. And let's take these 2 and make a little bit more interesting pattern and show you what you can do with these sort of buzzes to really make old grooves sound a little bit new and exciting. Here we go. Again, once you feel like you've got control over that on the pad and you're really comfortable with it, jump on the kit and let's try and speed it up a bit and make it sound really funky. Now in this groove we're going to use the 2 buzz strokes, so the one that comes on this hi-hat, which would have been a backbeat and nice and sustained, more of a drag towards you, and also the one that goes into the hi-hat, is that little circular motion and gives you that nice little buzz on the snare drum. So let's play a pattern that's not 2 and 4 on the snare, a little bit more interesting, that utilises these two concepts to show you how you can use it in a different style. Let's give this one a go nice and slowly. Again, let's speed this one up, make it feel really good and put it on the kit. Here we go. Great, so now you hopefully got through all these different buzz techniques. You can play it on the snare drum and you can play it between the 8th note hi-hat, and you've got real control over it. So what I suggest you do now is go through your favourite beats and grooves that you like playing and see where you can add this little flavour in, just to add a bit of spice. Don't use it too much, don't overuse it, just use it tastefully. Every 1 or 2 bars throw a little bit of this in, and it just makes the groove a little bit looser and have a nice really funky feel to it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play you out with a little funk groove. I'm going to displace the kick and snare bit, swing the groove a little bit more to show you how it can have more of a swung feel to it, and play you out. And also, if you could do me a great favour and subscribe to this channel, I'd be most grateful, and it really helps me build the channel, and hopefully I can bring more of these videos to everyone and really share all the information I've learned over the years of playing. Thanks for listening.